Do your finger like that. All right, home maintenance masonry here again. We're so happy to have another job. Today we're going to be working on some pavers. This particular job, the homeowner, they had a bunch of work done in the back, and they had a lot of heavy trucks that came through the yard and down the driveway. And what it did was it actually messed up the driveway. I'll show that to you in a few minutes. And back around the pool, there's a lot of pavers that actually have just kind of deteriorated. Right here in the front, Joey has already taken up this right side, and if you'll notice, this left side, see how they've got this cement on this outside edge? And look how I'm reaching down, it's just in pieces. They put this here so this wouldn't move that way. But if you'll notice, it's already got a split right here. See this split? See, once this right here starts to go, then all of it goes. And plus, there's a low place right here, so we're going to take this area up right here. What we're doing is we're going to take this and lay it in mortar. And that outside edge is going to be laid in mortar, so it's going to be a lot stronger. So we'll show you that just a little bit as we get through. We're mixing up the mortar right now, Joey, make sure that's not too wet. On this particular part right here, you can see that this right here, you can see where the weight has pushed all that up. All this right here has got to come out. We're going to take all this out. And also this right here has got a belly in it. So when it hits the driveway, all this is low. We're going to take this out all the way across, and all this is going to be relayed back. Come on back here in the back. I want to show you what we're doing in the back. Right here, some mix. Back here in the back, pick it up, Scott. What we've done is we've taken Portland and sand and we've mixed this together. Now, once the water, once water gets down in here, this is a stronger base. This is a lot stronger base than this fine gravel that they've got down in here. Okay, it's much, much stronger. So that's what we're doing. This area was low. We've already got it picked up, and we see that Mark's taking this up and relaying this back. We're going to lay the whole outside border with mortar. The problem is he had somebody come in. And they actually turned them, you can see they're upside down. We got to turn them right side up. And so we're going to take it all the way out to right here. And we're going to pick all this back up and relay it back right. So if you ever have any pavers, the reason why this is, there's a lot of movement for some things that was going on here was there's a huge retaining wall that's been built. The yard was built back up. And so when you look down and you see a base like that right there, that's what all landscape companies do, is they take that fine gravel. They're not bases like we are. The things that we do, it costs more money than what landscape companies do. And sometimes homeowners, they end up paying for it because in the future, because it was done cheaper, they had to keep putting money back in it. Just like this homeowner, they're having to pay money to make this right. And so we've gave them different options, and they're willing to pay the money to get it done right, and that's what we're doing. So you can see over here where Scott started again. Mark is getting ready to start right here. What about that? This right here. Where's your little bitty pieces?
Put them in there, going in as pieces.
You gotta have these too.
Those are, yeah, these are going in whatever. So I'd have to fit these.
Okay. Just lay it random, right? And however it works, that'll be fine. And make sure it's turned right side up. There you go. There you go. You done laid those things? Hey. So it's slowly but surely processed, but it's going to look good once we get through with it. So you kind of see what's going on. And the main thing is this whole outside border, come here, look at this way right here, Joey. Look at it down this way. What's going on is this whole outside border is just, it's all up and down, and they don't lay it in a solid bed of mortar. And once that border starts to push away, it all falls apart. But what we're going to do is we're going to lay the outside border in a solid bed of mortar, and actually mix it and lay it in mortar. So we're doing a twofold thing right here, and it's really definitely going to help a lot. And so we appreciate you watching our videos, and you'll see the end result of this once we get through. It's going to be 100% better. So thank you so much for going to repairsforyourhome.com and watching our videos. Repairsforyourhome.com. Thank you so much, and goodbye. Hey, keep watching our videos. We think you're going to like what you see, and please give us a call. Goodbye.
Okay, you can see here where we're relaying this, relaying back this sidewalk where the pavers have dropped. We're putting mortar back on the edge just to make sure it don't move, to keep the other ones from moving. But you can see right there where I'm laying the mortar back, and that's how it's done properly.
All right, we're still working on the job. We're over a little bit, about halfway through with it. If you'll notice, all this has been picked up. We're working on it. We got some cuts that we're having to make. That's why we got our ruler right here, as we're making our cuts through here. But what I want you to notice is look how Mark is laying the outer edge in mortar. And the one thing about these paver system is a lot of times they don't ever lay the outside border in a solid mortar base. They'll just lay it in gravel. And what happens is once it starts to move, it all falls apart. And so you don't want that. You want somebody who knows what they're doing. So basically what we're doing is we're laying it solid. And so we're in the process. We're about finished with it. Everything's looking good. Just wanted to show you this. How we're doing this. It makes it 100% better. And we'll show you a little bit more as we finish the job. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Give us a call. All right, Home Maintenance Masonry here again. We're so thankful to be doing the job today. It's just a beautiful day. The Lord has given us another day. We're just so thankful that the homeowners of this job has given us a job. So I just want everybody to know that we're thankful when you give us a job, but we're so thankful that they have given us a job. And today, this is the second day on the job. And we see Mark right here. He's in the process of tamping this down. And what we've done is we've took up this whole area that had, actually, there's some big trucks that came in because they had brought in tons and tons of dirt in the back where they built a big retaining wall. I mean, they actually extended their yard. And you know, the contractor, if he would have done that, there ain't no telling how much more the house would have been if he had done that. But the best thing I think that's really good for them is that they paid out of their pocket and they did not figure that into the interest of the house when they bought it. So it is a blessing in disguise that they did it themselves. So a lot of times when you buy a house and you have to figure all this interest and everything that's going on, it just costs a lot of money. But nevertheless, there was a lot of repair work that needed to be done right here. So we're in the process of working on it. We'll show you a video after we get through, but look right here on the front sidewalk. Now, all of this right here, it sunk in. It really wasn't. It just looked really bad. And so we've actually mortared in the outside edges. We just need to blow it off. But it's real nice and pretty, straight. And this is the type of quality work that we do. And here in just a little bit, Joy, when you do another, after you finish, do another final video, show this, then go back in the back and do the actual swimming pool. So if you ever have any need of this type of work, please watch our videos and give us a call. We'd love to do some work for you. We're so thankful that you're tuning in and watching our videos. And so go to repairsforyourhome.com, check out our videos, and give us a call. Until next time, we appreciate you, and we're so thankful for you by just watching our videos, and just give us a call if we can help you. Thank you. Goodbye.
All right, we're back with Home Maintenance Masonry, looking at the finished product around the swimming pool. Now you see the sand on the bricks. That'll wash down in the joints when they pressure wash it. But you could tell where we took everything up, relaid it. Edge is laid in a solid bed of mortar, keep it from moving out. And we got a special product we put on the inside that makes it where it won't move. Now we're heading up here to look at the finished product of the driveway. Here's a little crack that we repaired. You see here it's real dark when we first put it in, but you could kind of tell right here where it's kind of drying. Blends right in, you can't even see that. It looks like it skipped a section, but it's just drying. Now we're heading up here, and you can see the driveway looks real good. We laid this border in solid mortar. We got sand all on it right now. We're sweeping in and for the rain to wash it in the joints, but you can see looks real good. Back up and get a kind of a full view of it. As you can see, it's looking real good. All right, check us out. Check the videos out. Repairsforyourhome.com. Repairsforyourhome.com.